Hi folks, here we are back again. Today we're going to show you how to make some waterproof matches just using basic safety matches. Okay, so all I've done is lit a wee tea light candle, and all you have to do is just dip it into the wax, and that's it done. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll make a series of these, dipping them in the wax, just letting them sit to dry, and that's how we have our waterproof matches. And just to show it works, there's one covered in wax, strikes. So once we've all these made, what we're going to do is just put them into an ordinary tic-tac box, and we'll cut the striker off and put it in with it too, so that it's held in a waterproof container. Thank you. God bless.